So hi, today we are going to see how we are going to use our learning by building chatbot application. So the first thing is you need to get an account to access the web app. So to get an account, what you have to do is you have to click on register, and once you click on register, you can use any username. Let's take as the admin test. You can set any password the way you like. Then you have to enter your email and you will get a user account. There are three modes of account which you can decide what you are, but let's go ahead with a user account and click register. So once you click register, you will be logged into your chatbot building environment. So this is how you get your new account in this chatbot web application. Hi, I'm going to show you how you can use this chatbot environment to build your chatbots. This is a block which you are going to use to build your chatbot using these puzzles. So first you have to click on configure chatbot, then you have to click on personal, you have to set a chatbot name, and then you can click on chatbots, like create chatbot. It's going to create a new chatbot. After that you can use these puzzles to start building your chatbots. As you can see, this is a very simple chatbot. Like once you have fixed arranged the puzzles the way you want, you can click on save, and then you can test your chatbot by going to this messaging thing. Hi. As you can see, the chatbot works now. There is one more feature which you can use. It's here. You can just share your chatbot along with your classmates or along with everyone, and it will be appeared here. These are the buttons which you can use to copy a chatbot in case if you want it and play with that. So this is how it works. Yeah. You can decide the speed of the chatbot response so that it can behave more like a human. Once you are done, then you can click on create chatbot. Let's try to build a very basic chatbot. Let's take user says and let's drag one input, so that this means a user will say something. What the user will say is written here as a hey. Let's take one more puzzle which is known as chatbot response, which is the output. So let's take as a hey admin. That's what the reply is gonna be. So once you click on save, this is going to be saved in the backend. Then you can click here. Let's see how it works. Hey. So as you see, you can get the replies from the chatbot. Let's go back to chatbot management. Let's try to add something more complicated. Let's try to add 2 replies for a single user input. Hey admin, let's not go with the same thing. How are you, admin? Now save it. Once it's saved, you can click here, and then if you type hey, the first time it might reply. Let's see. Hey admin, let's try again. So yeah, as you can see, you can get 2 replies, and it depends on the chatbot what it's going to reply. So it's trying to mimic a human, we just give a single input and we expect a human to speak in a very different way. So this is how you can mimic something like that. You can attach any number of chatbot response as you want along this way, and this is a very input output kind of chatbot feature. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the option feature for your user input sentence. Let's go ahead and take a user input. What the user is going to say, hello. Let's take an option word, Mr. Then you can say as admin. Perfect. Let's take a chatbot response. We'll add it here, and it's going to reply us, "Hi admin, how are you?" Let's remove "Hi admin," let's keep "How are you," and we'll save this. So let's try what this is going to do. As you can see, this puzzle is called option, which means you can have an optional word in your sentence as a user input. So once you click here, and if you type "Hello Mr. Admin," you are going to get "How are you?" Let's try with "Hello Mr. Admin." Let's remove Mr. As you can see, let's wait for the reply. As you can see, you are getting the same reply, which means the option puzzle is ignoring the word in a sentence. So this is how you are going to use the option puzzle to take user input. Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can use this here puzzle, which is used in combination with match anything puzzle. Let's go here. Let me drop this. Let me take "Hey, let's have one match anything puzzle," and we are going to have a chatbot response which is going to say, "How are you?" Let's pick a here puzzle, which means, let me explain it very clearly. For this block, the input for match anything will be 1, which means the first match anything puzzle. If you have multiple puzzles, you have to give the number according to that, if you are looking for one first puzzle or the second puzzle. Let's click on save. Let's check this out how it works. Yeah. "Hey admin, as you can see, chatbot can now use this match anything to reply as a here. So we can use it as a function which is known as a, which we can like we can have a user input and give the expected output by using his name as a variable. We can store something with the match anything puzzle. Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use multiple here puzzles. So let's go ahead with that. We'll create a new chatbot. We'll have a user input. The first thing will be "Hi," then we'll have one match anything, and then we'll have one more match anything. Then we will have a chatbot response. We'll have output "Hello." Then we can have here, which is first input, and then we'll have 2, which is the second match anything. So yeah, let's go and check this out. Let's see. "Hi Doris J." As you can see, this thing can take 2 user input with a different word and give you a reply using this here puzzle. So this is how you are going to make use of this here puzzle while building your chatbots. Meanwhile, if you want to build some complex chatbots, which are available here as an example, you can just check this out. This is a very simple idea. This is something complex in your chatbot.